Hello students, today my topic is data representation. In this chapter we discuss number system and physical representation of the digit in a computer. Number system means arrangement of the number in a method, in a manner is called the number system. We have basically four types of the number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. These number system most common used today. Now first is decimal number system. Decimal is derived by the Latin word deca, means 10. That's why this number system is called decimal number system. A number system which have 10 different symbols or numbers or digits is called the decimal number system. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 10 is the first repeated number, and every number system have a 1 0 because every number system have a next number is the first repeated numbers. Value of the digits are depend on the position on the value of digits depend on the 3 points. First is place value, second is face value, third is base of the number system. Every digits have a depending on these numbers. Let's example 729. The digits is 7, 2 and 9. 9 is ones, 2 is tens and 7 is hundreds. And its values depend on its position. We categorize it two. One is the place value and another is called the face value. Place value is depending on the value, place of the value. Like once is 9, so its value is 9. Tens is 2 and its value is 20, and 7 is on the place of the 100, so its value is 700. And similarly here face value of these digits are 9 is 9, 2 is 2 and 7 is 7. So it not change its value if we are talking about the face value, and when we are talking about the place value, it depends on the its number digits position. And also we describe it 9 on the place of the ones, so it multiply by the 10 and power is 0, plus 2 is a place of the tens, so it multiply with the 10, power is 1, plus 7 is on the place of the hundreds, and so it multiply by the 10 power 2, and the number is representing by this manner always. We have taken another example. For example 325.5. we can represent it on the ones. Start from the ones. The ones is this 5 multiplied by the 10 power 0, and hundreds 2, so multiply by the 10 power 1, and hundreds is a 3 multiplied by the 10 and power is 100. And after the points take a value and multiply by the 100 and power is minus. Below of the 0 power is started, and this way is in a minus minus, and in this way always a positive power, started from the 0. Now next is binary number system. A binary number system is a system which understand by the devices, electronic devices, digital devices, because number have a two numbers, binary number have a two number, and signals we can represent are true or false, and digital devices are presenting in this way, and similarly we can represent it same. Take an example, 0. Now next topic is binary number system. Binary number system which have two numbers 0 and 1, its base is 2, and a number system which understand by the any electronic devices, equipments, because it depends on the signals. A signal have a two kind, plus or minus, that is means true and false. True is showing by the 1 and false is showing by the 0. Take an example, 1 0 1 1 0, and on the place of the ones is 0, so you multiply by the 2 power 0, and next is 1 multiply by the 2 power 1, next is 1 multiply by the 2 power 2, next is 0 multiply by the 2 power is 3, next last digit is 1 multiply by the 2 power 0. Why is 2? Because we are explaining or representing a number, that is binary number system which have two digits, two different numbers, so that's why it's multiplied by the 2 always. Remember here, on the moving on the left side, as always increase the power in positive side starting from the 0. Now take another example, that is 10011.101. Start from the ones. Ones is 1 multiply by the 2 power 0, and next digit is 1 multiply by the 2 power 1, next digit is 0 multiply by the 2 power 2, next digit is 0 multiply by the 2 power 3, last digit is 4 multiply by 1 multiply by the 2 power 4, and after the 0 after the point is a 1 multiply by the 2 power 1 minus 1, and next is 0 multiply by the 2 power minus 2, last digit is 1 multiply by the 2 power minus 3. You must remember, after the 0, moving on the right side, power of the 2 is increases in minus value. Next number system is octal number system, and octal number system have a base 8 which have a 8 different numbers 0 to 7. Octal is derived by the Latin word deca, which means 8. That's why this number system is called the octal number system. Now take another example. Number is 372.25. Start from the ones. Ones is 2 multiplied by the 8 power 0. Next is 7 multiplied by the multiplied by the 8 power 1. Last digit 3 multiplied by the 8 power 2. And after the 0 is 2 multiplied by the 8 minus 1, and next number is 5 multiplied by the 8 power minus 2. All digits are showing in this way in the plus form. Now next number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6 and decimal means 16, so addition of these two numbers is 16. A number system which have a 16 different numbers 0 to f. We can explain this by the compare to the decimal number system. Decimal number system is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and last is 15. and its equivalent decimal number hexadecimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is same, and on the compared to the 10 is A, and next is B, next is C, next is D, next is E, and last is F. So it have a 0 to F different numbers. Let's take an example. 1A. A is a 1, so 1 multiplied by the 16 power 0 and plus 1 multiplied by the 16 power 1. Why 16? Because we are explaining a number system which have a 16 different numbers. So next is A equivalent is 10, so we multiply by the 10 into 16 power 0, and the next is 1 is the same, multiply by the 16 power 1. Now take another example. 1 BC point AC. 1 BC point AC. This one is explaining and represent as this manner. C for once is C multiplied by the 16 power 0, B multiplied by the 16 power 1, and last is 1 multiplied by the 16 power 2, and after the decimal is A multiplied by the 16 power minus 1, and last is C multiplied by the 16 power minus 2. So it convert in a decimal format. C is a 13 multiplied by the 16 power minus 2. A is 10 multiplied by the 16 power minus 1, and here C is 13 multiplied by the 16 power 0. B is 11 multiplied by the 16 power minus 1, and 1 multiplied by the 16 power 2. So it is now it's over today my class, and you must learn this table. Compare all numbers are representing in this table, so you must remember, and